Peace, family, and welcome back to my channel. I am excited about today's topic. Today, we are going to be discussing meditation. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lorraine, and I will be your yoga instructor today.
Ooh, steady love.
So today's topic will be about meditation. What is meditation? Why should I meditate? And why should you meditate? The long-term benefits of meditation. And then we're going to elevate the conversation a bit, and we're going to talk about what are our next steps after we've established a good meditation routine. While doing so, I will be getting some cleaning done in the greenhouse. Alright, let's get started. So meditation is a practice of stillness. It is a practice of connection. So in ancient times, the yogis, what they do is they would conduct a physical practice of yoga, right? But sometimes that's just anything that can get the chaos out of the body, right? So what they would do is they would conduct a physical practice first, just to satiate the body, because it helped to prepare them for sitting for a long period of time in various different positions, but most famously in a lotus position, right? And the purpose of meditation is to still the mind, is to still the body, is to create conditions internally for connection, for reconnection. Scientifically, this decreases the sympathetic responses. So we conducted a physical practice beforehand to get your energy flowing, right? To circulate the blood, but then also to satiate that sympathetic side of our bodies, right? And initiate a parasympathetic aspect or condition within the body during stillness. And that's what's happening scientifically, right? So physiologically in the body, we are so used to our minds racing. We are used to doing 100 things at once, right? We are used to transversing through past, present, and future at any given moment. And what meditation does is it quiets the mind. It quiets the chatter, okay? And by using the breath, pranayama, or shu, you are reaching into the depths of your being, not only physically, by deepening the breath and expanding the lung capacity, but you're also expanding your consciousness. You are tapping into your higher self. You are literally transversing this reality while you are meditating. And all it takes is 5 minutes a day. But of course, for proficient results, you could lengthen that to maybe 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes. And the long-term benefits of establishing a meditation routine are phenomenal. In my personal experience, I've been meditating for a very long time and I have a slower heart rate because of it. Your patience is cultivated, your clarity is cultivated, your mental threshold for stress is increased. And I think in the long run, it's allowed me to get a lot of things done. It's decreased scattered brain, right? But one of the other things that is so valuable is that you're able to really reconnect with the right mental chatter. Some of the things that we ingest in our everyday lives, whether it's through the media or our exposure in our environment or the things that we listen to, that all has an effect on our mental state. It all has an effect on our mental chatter, even though we're not retaining it in the front lines of our consciousness. It's still being ingested subliminally. It's also being ingested subconsciously. And meditation just helps to clear all of that out. It gives your brain a chance to reset. It gives your consciousness a chance to really filter everything that's transpired either the day before, if you're meditating before bed, or the night, or your sleep before, if you're meditating at the beginning of your day. And when you're meditating at the beginning of your day, you also get the opportunity to set intentions. So you get the opportunity to tune in, filter first, and then connect and tune into the frequency that you desire and set your intentions for the day, making you a co-creator in that day's work. Isn't that awesome? So meditation has a lot of benefits. Now, one of the things that I love about meditation, especially during my long-term practices, what I've experienced is taking it to the next level, which by acting creatively within that meditative space. So doing something artistically, dial in my focus in a project, being creative by writing. These are kind of next level things that you can do that help to bring forward those revelations that you have cosmically, because during meditation you do have the opportunity to receive information from the cosmic realms, or the astral realms, or the ancestral realms, whichever realms you decide to explore during that meditation. But you do have the opportunity to receive and to download, and taking it a step further, actually bringing in those things, those aspects, those downloads, and turning them into something physical, something tangible, something shareable, something teachable, something creative. And that would be your next step after developing a meditation routine. Yeah. And so I hope I answered your questions about meditation. I hope that you have gained some insight. And honestly, this is just an introduction, because there's so many different directions that you can go, and you can go upon the path of healing by reaching into your subconscious and pulling out any muck or any stagnant energy that's been there. Using the breath, you can do that during meditation to heal your body, to heal your mind and your emotional body. You can use meditation to Star Trek across dimensions and explore the ancestral realms, and channel your ancestors. You can use meditation to do that. You can visit other planets. You can tap into the astral realm right before bed, before you enter in that REM state of sleep. You can use meditation to gain lucidity in your dreams, so that you can utilize the energy of your dreams to manifest. And you can do that practicing a simple 5-minute meditation a day. You will feel a difference in your life. I hope this message has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a blessed day. Peace.